Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first, you would have seen Patty from Letspourwithpattie. She's our very special guest this week. She is absolutely awesome. If you missed her, please go back, check her out. You won't be disappointed. After me, we've got Christy from Creations by Christy. Then Shannon from Shambi Fluid Art. And Bubbles from venomfluidart. So stick around, enjoy the ride. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to have a little play day. I just hit record and started playing. So kick back, relax, hear some tunes, and I'll see you at the end.
I see the way you look at me, like you want to, but you won't. I'm begging you to take the lead. You got the green light, take control. 'Cause I wanna breathe when you breathe. I wanna hear your heartbeat. Don't need the space in between. I think you know what I'm feeling. I want your body on mine. Don't need a wedding vow. Just tell me how you in or out. It ain't fair, baby. The way you got me hanging on. You got me hanging on. Oh, you got me hanging on. You got me hanging on. Oh, baby, the night that we met was amazing, but it feels like your love has gone missing. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Show me I'm the one you want. 'Cause it's everything or nothing. If you wanna be with me, I need your all and nothing less than. I can't go on in between. 'Cause it's everything or okay, you're a superstar, but I'm a supernova. Better claim your prize, otherwise cut and scene, game over. Do we call it love, or do we call it off? There ain't no maybe. I just can't keep holding on. I can't keep holding on, no. I can't keep holding on. I can't keep holding on. 'Cause it's everything or nothing. If you wanna be with me, I need your all and nothing less than. I can't go on in between. 'Cause it's everything or nothing. It's everything or nothing. Baby, the night that we met was amazing, but it feels like your love has gone missing. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Show me I'm the one you want. 'Cause it's everything or nothing. Cause it's everything or nothing. If you wanna be with me, I need your all and nothing less than. I can't go on in between. It's everything or
We are legends forged in fire. See our banner wave it higher. Side by side we stand and fight. Freedom is the song that we sing as we march on. Left, right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left. Freedom is the song that we sing as we march on. We are comrades forged in fire. See our banner wave it higher. Side by side we stand and fight. Freedom is the song that we sing as we march on. Left, right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left. Freedom is the song that we sing as we march on. Freedom, freedom.
Alrighty, we'll do a flyover of that one. That turned out super pretty.
Freedom is the song that we sing as we march on.
I really, really like how that turned out. Loads of fun. Give it a go. Alright, up next we've got Christy from Creations by Christy. Click on the name and the title of the video, it'll take you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, use the link that I put in there, it'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list, that way you get to see everybody one after another and you don't get lost. Once again, thank you Patty for being our very special guest. Absolutely awesome, as always. So, if you missed it guys, links in the description, go check her out, you'll love her. Rightio, that's it from me, so have fun, take care, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.